I planted this spring flowering bulb lawn 6 months ago, and it was spectacular, with 5 varieties of early flowering bulbs feeding lots of hungry insects. It's part of my work to garden not just for myself, but for all the wildlife under my watch. And that's what ecological gardening is about too, and why now it's more important than ever to get the word out. That's why I am hosting a powerhouse summit on ecological gardening, featuring some of the biggest names and organizations in the movement. Doug Tallamy, Rebecca McMackin, Mary Phillips from the National Wildlife Federation, and Emily May from the Xerces Society. This event is taking place on May 8th from noon until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. This is going to be a live, information-packed event that you are not going to want to miss. Tickets are just $35, and that includes a replay link and a donation to charities that are supporting the work of the ecological gardening movement. All the information, including access to tickets, is in the caption below, and I hope to see you there.